Welcome to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel. Today, we're cooking a curry made up of Tur and Moong Dal, a curry that is one of the most common dishes made in Indian households, which is both healthy and tasty. Please see our playlist for more healthy cooking recipe videos. There are many benefits of dal that you may not know yet. It contains essential plant-based protein, fiber, and vital micronutrients like iron, folate, and magnesium. Both Tur and Moong Dal support weight management, regulate blood sugar, and promote heart health. Here's everything we'll need to make this light and healthy dish. Make sure you keep the ingredients ready: ghee, garlic, jeera, shredded coconut, sliced tomato, hing, turmeric powder, salt, jaggery, chopped coriander, boiled tur dal, and moong dal. Remember, if we take 1 cup of tur dal, then take half a cup of moong dal. It is recommended to soak, rinse, and then boil tur and moong dal. And while boiling, if you see any foam or white bubbles, remove them with the help of a spoon. Let us now see how this healthy dal is made. Light up the gas stove. Take a kadhi and add 2 teaspoons of ghee to it. As the kadhi heats up, the ghee will melt. After the ghee melts, add a mixture of crushed garlic, jeera, and shredded coconut to the kadhi and mix it. After mixing, add sliced tomato to it and mix it well. Now, add hing, turmeric powder, salt, jaggery, and chopped coriander to the kadhi and mix all the ingredients. Once the ingredients are heated well, add the boiled tur dal and moong dal along with the mixed water to it and mix it nicely. Let the dal heat up so that it is cooked well. When our dal is getting cooked, we need to add more coriander to it and mix it. Switch off the gas stove as our dal is ready to be served. Look at this healthy and vibrant dal. This freshly cooked dal will complete your healthy daily meal. It tastes delicious when served with hot rice and chili, and we are sure that you will like the taste. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to click the notification bell for more traditional Indian recipe videos. See you next time with another recipe straight from the heart of the Indian kitchen. If you like the video, subscribe to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel for such videos. Share it with your family and friends. Eat healthy, be happy and stay blessed.